When it comes to improving comfort, lowering utility bills, and boosting curb appeal, few upgrades make a bigger impact than energy-efficient replacement windows. For homeowners in Sterling Heights, where weather can swing from freezing winters to warm, humid summers, high-performance windows aren't just a luxury, they're a smart investment in year-round comfort and savings. Designed for Michigan's demanding climate, Sterling Heights homeowners know how important it is to keep cold air out in the winter and cool air in during the summer. Older windows, especially those with single panes or worn-out seals, often allow drafts, condensation, and energy loss. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up monthly energy bills. Energy-efficient replacement windows are specifically designed to solve these problems. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and argon gas fills between panes create powerful insulation barriers. These advanced technologies help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, without overworking your furnace or air conditioner. Lower energy bills. Month after month, one of the biggest reasons Sterling Heights homeowners choose replacement windows is the potential for long-term energy savings. By reducing heat transfer and eliminating drafts, energy-efficient windows significantly cut down on energy waste. That means lower heating costs during freezing winter months, reduced air conditioning expenses in the summer, a more consistent indoor temperature throughout your home over time. The savings on utility bills can offset a significant portion of the initial investment. It's an upgrade that continues to pay you back year after year. Enhanced comfort in every room. Have you ever avoided sitting near a window in the winter because it felt too cold? Or noticed certain rooms in your home feel hotter than others during the summer? Poorly insulated windows are often the culprit. Energy-efficient replacement windows eliminate uncomfortable drafts and hot spots. With improved insulation and better sealing, every room in your Sterling Heights home can feel more balanced and comfortable. You'll enjoy cozy winter evenings and cool summer afternoons without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Reduced noise from outside. Sterling Heights is a vibrant community, but outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity can sometimes disrupt your peace and quiet. Modern replacement windows provide excellent sound insulation thanks to multi-pane glass and tight seals. The result? A quieter, more relaxing indoor environment where you can unwind, work from home, or spend time with family without unnecessary distractions. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows don't just perform better, they look better, too. Energy-efficient replacement windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to complement any architectural design. Whether your home has a traditional or contemporary look, there are options to enhance its overall appearance. In addition to improving curb appeal, upgraded windows can increase your home's resale value. Buyers are often drawn to properties with energy-efficient features, knowing they'll benefit from lower energy costs and modern performance. For Sterling Heights homeowners thinking about selling in the future, replacement windows can be a strong selling point. Less maintenance, more durability. Today's energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, cracking, and fading. Many options also feature tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning from inside your home. That means less maintenance, fewer repairs, and long-lasting performance, even in Sterling Heights' changing weather conditions. A smart upgrade for long-term peace of mind. Replacing your windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and the overall quality of your home. With energy-efficient replacement windows, Sterling Heights homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, reduced noise, and enhanced property value. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to operate, now may be the perfect time to explore modern, energy-efficient options. With the right upgrade, you can transform your home into a more comfortable, cost-effective, and beautiful space for years to come.